Hi friends, you have heard AI mentioned 1,000 times this year. Your boss is talking about AI. Your phone uses AI. People are either terrified of artificial intelligence or they obsess about it. But most explanations are full of jargon that assumes you already know what AI means. In this video, I am going to explain exactly what AI, artificial intelligence, is in a very simple language. No computer science, no hype, just clarity. So let's start first with what AI actually means. Let's start with the simplest possible definition. AI, which stands for artificial intelligence, is a software that can do things that normally require human intelligence. That sounds simple, but it covers a huge range of things, from your email spam filter to a robot that can have a conversation with you. The keyword is learn. So basically, AI is able to learn. And how is it different from traditional software? What we have seen till now in our everyday lives is that traditional software follows rules that you write. AI is different. It learns patterns from data instead of following pre-written rules. So basically, it is learning from these different patterns. Think of it like this. Suppose you have a baby and you are teaching your child to recognize a dog. You don't teach your child to recognize a dog with a rule book. You would not say four legs, fur, tail, barks. You show them hundreds of dogs. Eventually, after seeing so many dogs or seeing dogs over a period of time, their brain starts building a pattern. AI works in exactly the same way, except instead of a brain, what artificial intelligence uses is maths and data. Moving on. So, how does AI actually learn? Three things. There is data, model, and feedback. Data is examples, millions of them. As Mukesh Ambani also said in one of the AGM, that data is the new oil. What is data? Photos of cats and dogs. That is our data. Emails marked spam or not spam. Patient records with diagnosis. All this is data. The model is the AI system. It looks at all this data and it starts finding patterns. It starts making guesses, like how you would guess something based on your experience, and then it is told sometimes when it is wrong, which helps it make better guesses. And when it does this same thing millions of times, it keeps getting better at the task. This process is called training. And here is what is wild. Once trained, the AI can recognize a dog it has never seen before. It didn't memorize the photos, it understood the pattern. That is the fundamental magic of AI. Not following rules, learning patterns, and applying them to new situations. And that is also very similar to how humans learn. Moving on. Now, here is an important difference most people miss. There are two types of AI being discussed today. One is narrow AI, other is a general AI. Narrow AI is called weak AI. Why? It is a AI which is very good at one specific thing, like say translating languages, recognizing face, playing chess, recommending shows to you like on Netflix. Every AI product you use today is narrow AI. It's brilliant at the one job that it is doing. But if you ask it to do something else, it falls apart. It is not able to do that. General AI is AI that can do anything a human can do. It can switch between tasks, reason across different domains, learn from minimal examples. This does not exist yet, not really, despite what some headlines suggest. ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, these are very impressive tools, but they are still narrow AI, which are trained on text. They are not generally intelligent the way humans are. And that is the difference that matters, right? So what we have learned is that whatever AI that we are aware of right now is narrow AI. General AI doesn't yet exist. Let me make this concrete. You already use AI every single day. The only point is that you don't call it AI. When Google Maps reroutes you, you suddenly take a different turn, then it will tell you a new path to reach your destination. That is also AI, which is predicting the road conditions from millions of data points. When Spotify knows exactly what song you want to hear next, like it automatically recognizes what you like to hear and accordingly plays those songs based on the kind of songs that you typically choose. That is also AI. When your bank flags a suspicious transaction, that is also AI. Suppose you are suddenly doing transaction in two different countries, then it would recognize that something is wrong, so it would flag it. That is also artificial intelligence. Have you noticed sometimes Gmail auto completes your sentence? You are typing something and it would suggest the rest of the sentence. That is also AI. It is trained on billions of emails, predicting what you are about to type. None of these feel like science fiction, They are just useful software that got better by learning from data. That's what AI is at its core. So, why is everyone talking about AI now specifically? Because something changed recently. AI crossed a threshold where it became useful enough for regular people, not just engineers and researchers, but even for common people like you and me. ChatGPT hit 100 million users in 2 months. That's 10 crore users in just 2 months. And that is the fastest any technology company has grown its user base in history. Because for the first time, you could just talk to an AI in plain English and get genuinely useful answers. Whether that's exciting or terrifying to you, understanding what AI actually is puts you in a better position than 95% of other people who are just reacting to the headlines. And that's why I created this channel. Every week, I will try to put at least two videos where I will explain AI concept, tool, or story in a plain English. No jargon, no hype, just clarity. And if you want to be able to talk about AI and brush up your knowledge about AI, then please do subscribe because this channel is going to be tremendously useful for you. And if you have a question about AI that you want explained simply, drop it in the comments. I read everything. I am human and I will be responding to your questions. And wishing you a great day and see you in the next video.